How to create a quiz on Telegram. One of the interesting features on Telegram is definitely creating a quiz. The process is really simple and doesn't take much time. Let's create a quiz together. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Enter the chat or group where you want to create the quiz. Then click on the paperclip icon here. At the bottom, you'll see different colored buttons. Press the yellow poll button. Let's start creating the quiz. In the field below poll question, enter the question. I'll ask the question which planet is known as the red planet. In the answer options section, enter the provided answers. Enter the first option in the option field. To add options, click on Add an option. Repeat the process of adding options for the answer. I'll enter 4 options. In the settings section, you have several quiz-related settings. If you want answering the question to be anonymous, toggle the button next to Anonymous Voting. If you want respondents to be able to select multiple correct answers, enable the Multiple Answers option. I won't enable it this time because only one answer is correct. The most important option is the Quiz Mode option. This option must be enabled to create a quiz. Press the toggle button next to it. After that, check the correct answer. Now, press Create here. And you've successfully created the quiz. When someone answers, they'll immediately see if they answered correctly. Additionally, you'll be able to see the percentage of respondents who chose a particular option. And that's all for this tutorial. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.